With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
How can we control carbon monoxide poisoning? How can we control carbon monoxide poisoning? This carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas, hence control is needed. So let us see the chemical formula of carbon monoxide. It is CO, and carbon monoxide, it's a colorless, tasteless and odorless gas. It's also a flammable gas, and it's toxic to animals as well as human beings. Let us see the sources from where this carbon monoxide is produced. Carbon monoxide, it's produced when organic compounds are burnt in presence of oxygen. It's produced when organic compounds are burnt in presence of oxygen, and also it is present in exhaust gases from engine fumes, motor vehicles, fire smokes, non-electric heaters, etc., and also in combustion fumes produced by car engines, charcoal grills, space heaters, water heaters. So all these are the sources, main sources of carbon monoxide gas. So it's very necessary to control this, because breathing of excess carbon monoxide may be life threatening. So how do we control or prevent the poisoning of carbon monoxide? The first step in preventing or controlling carbon monoxide is sleeping near gas space heaters and kerosene heaters should be prevented. Sleeping near gas heaters or kerosene heaters should be prevented. Kerosene heaters should be prevented. And you can also install carbon monoxide alarms and maintain them regularly. Install carbon monoxide alarms and ample amount of ventilation should be there in houses near to factories and traffic areas. Enough amount or ample amount of ventilation is necessary, is essential in houses near factories or traffic areas or traffic areas. And you can also have a yearly inspection of fuel burning appliances. Yearly inspection of fuel burning appliances should be there. And you can also install carbon monoxide detectors at the place of carbon monoxide source. Carbon monoxide detectors should be installed near at carbon monoxide sources. And one more thing is, you can also keep fireplaces clean and well vented. Keeping fireplaces clean and well vented. So these are the measures, preventive measures to control carbon monoxide poisoning. So to repeat, this carbon monoxide gas, breathing of this gas may be life-threatening. It is toxic to both animals and human beings. Hence, it's very much necessary to control this. And as you also heard about the, or you have understood about the sources of carbon monoxide, you can also prevent this by following these measures. That is, sleeping near gas heaters, kerosene heaters should be prevented, installing carbon monoxide alarms and also maintaining those alarms, and ventilation, enough ample amount of ventilation is necessary in houses near factories or traffic areas, and yearly inspection of fuel burning appliances should be done, and carbon detectors, carbon monoxide detectors should be installed at carbon monoxide sources, because the carbon monoxide detectors can find whether the carbon monoxide gas is being leaked there, and keeping fireplaces clean and well vented. So these are the measures to be followed to control carbon monoxide poisoning. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.